Hi guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope everybody is doing good. So guys, welcome to the first ever flash drill discussion session. So today we'll be looking at Quadratic Equation Lecture 1 ka drill. Okay, so we will look at the questions that I gave you and see how many of you have got all of them correct. So many students have messaged me the solution, they have commented it down. They have messaged me in Instagram, they have messaged me in Telegram. Brilliant job guys, keep it up. That is the same spirit we have to work with for the next 1 or 2 years. Okay, so welcome Rishabh, Deepak Shah, Navami, Bhavya, Deepak. Brilliant guys, brilliant. So shall we get started? Are you all ready? Brilliant. So let's move forward. Before we get into the session, as always, my name is Shimon Joseph guys and I'm a math master teacher here at Vedantu. I've been teaching for almost 7 years now and I'm basically from Chennai. I did my BTech from IIT Madras. Okay, so that's all about me. Now moving on to the most important slide guys. A lot of you do messages and you show your immense support, but the most important thing I want you guys to do is to like, share it and subscribe. Sharing is very important because I'm sure you guys love it. You have to spread it across to many people because like I said earlier, this is a new channel and we want it to reach to millions of people and that would be a huge encouragement. Got it? Hi, before the Big Bang, Deva Datta, Sneha Singh, welcome. So many students, brilliant, brilliant. And Gaurav is here. Thank you, Gaurav. So shall we move to the discussion guys? Are you all pumped up? Can you send me some thumbs up sign? Everybody. Are you all ready for the discussion? Shall we move to the first question? Yes? Brilliant. So let's discuss them one by one. The questions were pretty simple and I did so because it was the first lecture and like we said, we wanted to start off from the basic and slowly take it higher. Okay? So now, the schedule for JEE Maths is shown here. So every day we have lectures at 4 guys and today is a very important lecture because I'm going to talk about the graph of a quadratic equation. And whenever you have a graph, you always can find the maximum and minimum value, right? So that is what we are going to do today. Graph of quadratic expression and then we'll also find maximum and minimum values of a quadratic expression. Are you all clear with it? Brilliant. Yes, VH Gaming Zone, today we are going to discuss the complete solution of the drill which I sent yesterday. Some of you are saying that, sir, we couldn't find the drill. It is available in the description of the video, guys. You just have to go and click on it. You can download it and maybe solve it. Got it? So moving on, let's get this done with quickly. This is the first question which is based on identities. And did I teach you identities yesterday? Did I teach you identities yesterday? Yes. Who are all right? Let me check. What is the answer for this question? Very good. Before the Big Bang is right. Sneha Singh is right. Rishabh is right. And then Girl Boss. Brilliant job guys. You guys are super awesome. That is the spirit. I love the response you guys gave. So many of your friends here messaged me in Instagram with the solutions pick. Isn't that awesome? That shows the dedication you guys have and the commitment you're showing, and that really encourages me and I want to do more for you. Let's see the quality of questions. It will definitely scale up. You will definitely love it guys. So wait for it. Now coming to this question, what are they saying? They're saying that this is an identity in X. What do you mean by identity in X? It is satisfied by all values of X. Sir, how can it be satisfied by all values of X? Because it looks like a quadratic equation. But that is the difference I taught you yesterday. Go back and check the video. What did I say? Identity is for all values of X. So why does that happen? That happens because the coefficient itself is 0. So here if you look at it, this is 0 and this is 0. Got it? So if all three of them are 0 simultaneously, it doesn't matter what value of X you put in, anyway it's 0. So let's do that. If I put that, what will I get? A square minus 1 is 0, which implies A is equal to plus 1 or minus 1. Next, what do I have? A minus 1 is 0, which implies A is equal to 1. Next, what do I have? I have a square minus 4a plus 3 equal to 0, which implies my a is equal to 1 or 3. So like you guys have said, 1 is the number which is common to all the 3 being 0. So that is why option B is correct, because we want all 3 of them to be 0 simultaneously. We want all 3 of them to be 0 simultaneously. Got it? So that is why the answer is option B. Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? Are you all clear? So shall we move forward to the next question? Very good, very good. Brilliant, Puneet. Brilliant, Padai Karo. Superb, superb. Great job, guys. In case you still do have a doubt, put it in the comments so that I will read it later and message you back. Got it? So let's move forward. This question, I guess, clears up the concept of identity. Now moving on. The second question is given over here. So what is the answer? Any idea? This is a very, very common question which is asked in NTSC and all exams like that. Did you guys solve this question in your 10th standard? Anybody? Because I remember when I was preparing for NTSC back a few years back, I did solve this question, isn't it? It's a typical NTSC exam question. You get it in aptitude test. So I will show you how it is done and how it is related to quadratic. If you are seeing it for the first time, you will definitely love it. Thank you, Devarish Balu. Everybody is right. The answer is option C. The answer is option C too. But some of you might be wondering, sir, how are everybody saying that it is option C? Can you please teach me? Yes, that is why I'm here, coming live and solving in front of you. So what we do first is, guys, square on both sides. So let's take this equation and square it on both sides. So when I square it, what do I get? I get x square, and that will be equal to, this first root will go away. This first root will go away because I'm squaring now. So if the first root goes away, I will get 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus and so on. Now, don't you guys think this goes all the way up to infinity? And infinity is like what? Forever. It will keep going forever. So don't you think this is also x? Because if I start from here, this looks like x only, na? Are you all able to see that? Because it keeps going to infinity. See, if it stops at 5 terms, then I can understand this is not x. If it stops at 6 terms, then I can understand this is not x. But this goes up to infinity, and infinity is a very large number. We don't know its value. Getting it? So since we don't know and it keeps going, this and this are the same. Are you all able to understand that? So now what will you do? X square is equal to 2 plus x. So let's bring it to this side and solve it. X square minus x plus 2 is 0. So x will be equal to how much? 2 or minus 1. Now people might be asking, sir, what is minus 1, sir? Why can't that be the answer? First of all, guys, the square root is always positive. The square root is always positive. So never can you say that x equal to some square root will be negative. That is absolutely wrong. That is absolutely wrong. So pakka, this is wrong. So this should be the answer, and that is why it is option C. But let me tell you one thing extra. Why did we get minus 1? Because in maths, everything has to be reasoned out. You should understand why that came. That came because I squared this. Whenever you square an equation, you bring in extra roots. They are called as extraneous roots. And extraneous roots you have to handle carefully, because they may or may not be satisfying your given equation. Are you guys understanding that? So whenever you are squaring an equation, be very careful, because you will bring in extra roots, isn't it? So likewise, guys, this is a very important topic, extraneous roots in trigonometry, because many people love to square in trigonometry, just like that. Because when you square it, you get nice identities and you want to use it. Understood? So be very careful. Ponada Chakri is plus 2. Oh, here it is minus 2. Okay. Ponada Chakri is absolutely right. This is a minus 2. Yes, thank you. So when you solve it, you will get it. Perfect. No Omkar, I am live, guys. And yes, brilliant. You are right. Tell me the exact timings, guys. The drill discussion of maths is always at 10 a.m. in the morning. Okay, but I'm telling you right now, it may not be always live. Sometimes I might record it because we don't have that much time in the mornings. Okay, so in the mornings I'm usually busy preparing the 4 o'clock content for you. So I might give you some recordings. I hope that's okay. But today I'm live. You can take it for the truth. And that is how I'm reading all the chats. Like I said, I don't do time travel. So here I am. So the maths drill discussion is 10 a.m. and then chemistry is 11 a.m. and physics is 12 a.m. But today you don't have chemistry because yesterday was the first class. Understood? Have I made it clear to everybody? If everybody has understood, give me a thumbs up. Telegram channel is active, man. Why are you guys not able to join? Farhan, this is the English channel, man. So I'll have to talk in English. And moreover, I know very bad Hindi, man. So I can't converse properly in Hindi. Very good, guys. Awesome. Yes, Ganapati, we have a 11th standard session at 4 o'clock today. Please do join that. So now, shall I move forward to the next one? Are you guys ready for it? Everybody, are you all ready? Done this question? Did you understand the concept? Did you understand why we got extra root? Did you understand extraneous roots? All done? Brilliant. Good. Hi Pratik. Nice to see you here, man. What happened? You're late. So let's move forward, guys, to the next question. Right on your screen. This was probably a good question, I would say. Decent question. Because it mixes trigonometry and quadratic equation. Okay. So let's see how to solve this. What do you guys think is the answer? What do you guys think is the answer? Yes, all about Tech Tamil. Tell me, what happened? Rishabh, don't worry, I'll help you. Shrija, no problem, Shrija, welcome. Everybody saying D is the answer. I'm not sure, guys, I'll have to solve it. So I'm also going to solve it along with you only. So let's check it together. Shall we? Okay, Mr. Swag. Many people are saying that the link for Telegram is not working. So I will check it out. I'll put the updated link in this description. Okay. So let's get started. Brilliant, Akhil Reddy. Akhil Reddy, still you have to be able to solve this question because these are all 11th standard questions only. Okay. So now, first of all, these are the roots. Do you guys agree? Sin theta and cos theta are the roots. Isn't that correct or not? Yes, Sendil. Tamil nallave theriyum. Sollu. Okay, so let's solve it. So we'll have sin theta plus cos theta. Sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a and product of the roots is going to be c by a. Is this clear? I didn't do anything great over here. Asutosh Brilla, I'm just starting off with the question. If you have any doubt, please do type it in the chat. Okay? Please do type it in the chat. So till here everybody is fine? Brilliant, Saurabh Ugavekar. Saurabh Ugavekar is absolutely right. Very good. So you have to square the first one. So let's square the first one on both sides. So when you square this, what is a plus b whole square? It is a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to b square by a square. Now, this is equal to 1 laddu. We know this right from 10th standard. Exactly, Pratik. It is based on yesterday's class. This is the drill session. So yesterday I gave you the drills, right? Flash drill. So this is the discussion session of it. The next class will be at 4 o'clock today. So 4 o'clock today we are meeting with Quadratic Equations Lecture 2. Be there on time. Okay. So this will be 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. So can I say sin theta cos theta is equal to c by a? So it will be 2 into c by a is equal to b square by a square. Now cross multiply. Bhanu Prakash is asking, sir, what is meant by drill? Drill is assignment, tutorial, DPPs. So we call it drills. Drills means exercises, right? So that is the way we kept the name so that you guys can relate to it. Now, complex numbers will come after quadratic Alok Sharma. So first let's finish quadratic equations, okay? So now just cross multiply and get the answer. A square plus 2ac is equal to b square. So which option matches this? Which option? I think this option matches. Because I will add c square on both sides. So what is this? This is a plus c whole square. Over, done. Definitely Pratik. Pratik, we just completed one lecture, Pratik. Definitely I'll take you there. Like I said, I dedicated one separate session for advanced problem solving. Okay, so we will do that, but slowly with time. I guarantee we'll take you there. Okay, but everybody has to work with me, show some support, and definitely we'll do it for you. Okay, very good, Saurav. Brilliant, brilliant. So shall I move forward, guys? Everybody done with this? Shall we move to the next one? Exactly, Pratik. We will plan something out like that. So this is a general one for everybody. So I don't want to increase the level very drastically. Then it might scare people off. Okay. So I don't want to do that. Brilliant, guys. So let's move forward to the next one. Hi, Sanvi Yadav. Welcome. Uday, thank you, man. Devadatta Vemuri. We will get started in a short while. This is the next question. Any answers? Any answers? You have to tell me the least value of A. Least value. Anybody? Rishabh is saying, sir, it is 1 by 81. Achyut is saying, no, sir, it is 81 only. Girl boss is saying 1 by 81. So there are two options here. Some people are saying option A. Some people are saying option B. So let's check it. Who is right and who is wrong? Aniket, welcome, man. This is your first class. That's awesome. Glad to have you here. And this is a drill discussion. I gave an assignment yesterday to all my lovely students here, and they have solved it and they have come. So if you are new here, then maybe you can try it along with me. I will solve it right now. Okay? Thank you, Ritesh. So let's get started. VH Gaming. You don't have a name there, man. That's not your name. If the roots of the quadratic are real, roots being real means what? What is the condition? Hi Barney, welcome, man. What is the condition for roots being real? Let me know in the chat quickly. Type it down fast, guys. Come on. Okay, okay. So the roots being real means your discriminant will be greater than or equal to 0. Isn't that right? How many of you are able to understand that? Brilliant, guys. Very good. You guys remember what we did. Apurv, girl boss. Everybody remembers it. Superb. That is the way you do it. Vaishnavi, awesome. Brilliant. So girl gamer here. That is awesome. Now we have b square, right? So b square will be what? 4 square. Because minus 4 square is 4 square only. Minus 4 into a. A is what? It's glaring too much for me. Into c. C is log a to the base 3, and that is greater than or equal to 0. Are you guys clear with it? So now what I can do? I can cancel 1 4 and 1 4. So I'll have log a to the base 3 is greater than or equal to minus 4. So then I'll have log 3 to a to the base 3 will be greater than or equal to minus 4. I can write it as log of 1 by 81, or I can write it as 3 to the power minus 4 to the base 3. Is that correct? Is that correct? Can I write minus 4 like this using log properties? If people are not able to understand, then you have to revise your log properties. Got it, guys? Hi Aryan, welcome, man. Pratik, you're absolutely right, Pratik. So Gagan is saying, sir, please explain what is the log property that you used here. See guys, log is a very important topic and some of you are not able to follow. I will quickly give you a small idea. Please listen carefully. Whenever you have a power x is equal to y, you can convert into log form like this. Log of y to the base a is equal to x. Understood? Are you guys able to follow? Everybody? So that's exactly what I did here. That's exactly what I did here. Yes, Chinni, Chaitu, welcome. Everybody clear? So now I can remove log, So a is greater than or equal to 3 to the power minus 4 is 1 by 81. So the lowest value of a is 1 by 81. So option B is the right one. Option A, you guys have gone wrong. I think you missed this minus. I think you guys missed this minus. Now are you clear? Did you guys like it? Hi Navami, brilliant. All about Tech Tamil? No man, definitely not. I would love to hear more Tamil from you. Okay. Achut, no problem. I hope everybody liked it. Christian Camilo is asking mod of z minus 1 is less than mod of z plus 1. So that is going to be a region, Christian. So what I would suggest you to do is square it and solve it. You will get it. It's a very easy question. Just square it on both sides, Christian, and then open it. You will get the answer. Is this suitable for droppers with time? Suhas, right now it might be too easy. So slowly I will build it up to a good level. Then it might make sense for droppers because I want you guys to be serious. Okay. So maybe this one will be easy for you. I expect it to be easy. If it is not easy, then you can join. That's not a problem. Got it? Usually for droppers, I would suggest some more serious stuff which we have planned down the line. So do wait for it. Got it? So yeah, let's move forward. Guys, I'm going to close it. Shall I close it and move to the next one? Shall I close it and move to the next one? Brilliant, brilliant. Done, done. Okay, Vaishnavi. Got it. That's why I was surprised. Before the Big Bang. Yes, man. So let's move forward, guys. Last step, Omkar is asking. Last step, Omkar. I removed log 3 on both sides. Because both sides we have log 3 now, I can remove it. And then I get the answer. Over. So the next question, guys, is over here. How many of you solved this correctly? How many of you were able to solve this correctly? This is probably the Laddu question in the paper. This is probably the Laddu one in the paper. Did you guys answer it? Everybody, go for it. Let me know in the chat. Everybody. Option D, everybody saying. Some of you are saying B. Is this suitable for class 10? Definitely yes. Class 10, so definitely yes. Pakka. Got it? So let's see who is right and who is wrong. I'm going to solve it for you right now. Please pay attention, guys. So what do we have here? We have a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta. So the roots of this are alpha and beta. So can I say alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, which will be minus of minus 6 by 3, which will be 2. Got it? So that is alpha plus beta. Now that is enough for me. They are saying find the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha plus beta, which is 2, and 2 by alpha plus beta. So 2 by 2 is 1 because we know alpha plus beta is 2, right? So these are the two roots of our quadratic equation. I told you how to find out when you know the roots of quadratic equation. How do you do it? If alpha and beta are the roots, how do you find out the quadratic equation? I told you guys how to do it. I hope you remember. What is the method? X square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. So let's do that. X square minus sum of the roots is what? 2 plus 1 is 3. 3x plus product of roots is what? 2 into 1 is 2. So it is option D, which is the right answer. I hope you guys liked it. Everybody clear now? So don't forget these things, guys, because we did it in class. I don't want you guys forgetting stuff. Everybody clear? Thank you, Karan. Brilliant, guys. No problem, Pratik. Try to be careful from next time on. Okay? So let's move forward. Do we have any more questions? Nope. We are done for the day. I hope you enjoyed the session, guys. So please mark your calendars. Today we will be continuing with graph of a quadratic expression. I'm going to teach you in a way that you will never forget this. Okay? Because through graphs you can understand what is the maximum and the minimum value of a quadratic expression, and we will do that together. Okay? Yes, Saravanan, we will do entire syllabus. Thank you guys, Navami, Omkar. Yes, Pratik, it's a short session because it was just a discussion session. The actual teaching part is at 4 o'clock today, guys. Don't forget it. Mark your calendars because not just math you have chemistry at 5:30, you have physics at 7 p.m. So definitely be there for us. Okay? So see you all in the next time, guys. But please, before you all leave, make sure you follow us on Telegram and Instagram as well. I'm sure all of you know my Instagram ID. It is Shimon_Joseph. Okay? So you can reach out to me in case you have doubts. I usually take all the questions of students over there. Thank you, Ruma Roy. Thank you, Michael. I'm glad you liked it. Thank you, Mohammed. Farhan. Thank you, man. Brilliant. So last but not the least, guys, I love the response you showed, but I wanted to reach more people. So please do help us. Like, share, and subscribe. Spread the word. Let's try to hit some good numbers by this weekend. Okay? So that is on your side. Like I said, it comes at a very high cost. That is your love and you have to show it to us. So continue to support us and we will meet again at 4 p.m. today evening. So this is Shimon Joseph signing off. Bye-bye guys. Take care.